Hey guys, it's Tablescape Tuesday. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and maybe even a snack. I'm going to share with you my cozy little corner that I'm going to decorate for Valentine's Day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all into my home once again. Guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I have styled out this chest here. And it's a very ornate chest, one that my husband picked up during his military days. And I'm going to share with you how I have styled it out for for Valentine's Day. I've created a vignette here. This is part of a collaboration hosted by some very beautiful creators here on this channel. I will have their channel links in my description box below, as I don't right off the cuff remember exactly who's participating and who's the host and co-host. So I will have all that information in my description box. But guys, I just want to take the opportunity to say thank you all so much for stopping by, and I appreciate all the love and support that you give to me. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you here. This is a girl here that loves her home. I love decorating my home. I love refreshing my home. I do a little DIYs here. I do a little bit of cooking here. So if that is anything that interests you, I would certainly love to have you as part of this family. So all you have to do is click that button that says subscribe, and then make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all uploads that are generated on this channel. So to the host and co-host, I thank you guys so much for the invitation as to allow this to be an open collaboration. All right guys, that's enough about me and what I've done. So I am going to share with you how I've styled out my table. So thank you. So guys, you know, before we start to decorate, we do have to give a little light down. I have removed all of my Christmas decor that I had over here, so I just have the lamp here. So I will start to decorate. And so what I want to do is, I want to take the lamp and just add it here to the corner. I just want to move the lamp here. And then I have this tray that sort of mimics the lamp. It is the marble and white with the gold. So I have the gold inside here, as we have the gold rim around the lamp here. So I'm just going to place the tray here, and then I will continue to build upon that. So this is some of that greenery garland that I like to use because it is so flexible, and it has the little miniature pine cones. So we are still in the middle of winter, so I find it's only befitting that I can continue to use this greenery here. And I'm just going to use this to align it inside my tray just for drama. This is some very dramatic garland. You can just tuck it, make it flow, make it move about, just use it in many different ways. So I'm just going to use it to line my tray here. You can just see how dramatic it is as it hangs towards the front here. So next we're going to add in this candle holder, and this is one that I purchased from Z Gallery several years ago, and it had a little glass cylinder in here, but I broke it last year, I think it was. So we're just going to place that there. You see the rubber glass bowl ring. I've added in a candle ring in here for the greenery, and it also has a little pine cone in the greenery as well. So next I'm going to add in these miniature candle holders, and they actually go with the larger one And again, all of this came from Z Gallery. I'm not going to place any candles or anything in those. I'm just going to use them just as they are. So here I have these floral wreaths that I purchased from, I think it was Joann's, about maybe 3 to 4 years ago, and I've never used them. I had them in my stash, and I was considering pulling them apart and just using the wreath because I really don't like the way they have this, but I'm going to use it just for today's video. So what I'm going to do is just place this here, sort of in front of the smaller candle holder as part of the base to hold it in place. Turn it somewhat of an angle in front of the candle ring. And actually I have two, so I'm going to place one here on the other side. And this is some scented bowl filler that I purchased during Christmas time from Top Chef. Sorry for the noise. And y'all, this stuff smells really, really good. The pine cones and the citrus. So I'm just going to add this here in the corner. Ooh, it smells good. Hopefully it'll just get a whole room when you walk in. This is what you will smell. So place that in the bowl there. Next up, I'm going to add this little brass candle holder. And what I want to do is just move this here and this here. This is a candle that my husband bought me a few years ago. So I'm just going to place it. Next up, I have this love sign that I purchased from Amazon a couple years ago. So I'm just going to place that like that. Bye. Thanks for choosing to hit that button to see what I was actually up to today. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. Don't forget to check out the host and the co-host. Hopefully there is a hashtag or playlist link that I can list below so that you can go over and get some creative ideas. Be blessed, guys. Take care. Mwah.